Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones REALME Buds T110. You have to start by opening REALME application. Now click on button settings at the bottom and right here choose the best one for you. What tab you prefer? I prefer double tap for the left earbud, so I click on it and choose Voice Assistant. Now hide the application, remove your headphones, and if you press 2 times you will call a Google Assistant. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!